Okay, so hi everybody. Today we will be doing twists and turns. Sorry. With Geography Forever. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna wait for her. Basically, the trick is just to follow the right wall. Just follow the right wall. That's how you do it. Oh my gosh, there's a treasure somewhere. I love the music. What? Ugh, shut up, thingy. My penguin is level 10, but my wolf is, I don't use my wolf, so yeah. Ew. Disgusting. This is so confusing. What the heck? Oh, okay. Okay, I'll just recycle something. It's the same thing over here, just follow the right wall. Is there a polar bear? Nope. Wait. That's the trick to a maze. You just gotta follow the right wall and it'll bring you where you wanna go. And you don't need to know why. I'll wait for her. And also, if they say that you need to get a key, I'm just saying that the only thing it gives you is gems. You get 250 gems, so yeah. Yeah, I hope I actually get something good. Ooh, pretty. This is the last stage. Haha, no it's not. Not very fun. I miss bittersweets, because you can actually get rares. Oh wait, there's a little packet of gems. Oh, it's a blue key. Oh, but we don't need it. I'm just gonna take it, just in case we find the blue chest. But it honestly doesn't matter. I have no idea where the chest is, because I honestly don't care, but like, oh, to the well. Oh. Oh. Oh wait, oops. Oh look, it's the blue chest. We get gems. Yay! Cool. Okay. Wait, let me just switch my den so I can, like... Is it this one? Yep. What the heck? Oops. Okay. Yes, it was fun. It was fun. Wait, Where did she go? Oh, I guess she had to reload the page or something. So thank you for watching this video. And please like or subscribe to the channel, and if you want, leave in the comments what you got from this thing. And so bye.